How's it going, everyone? This is Lightningdude 42 here. I'm here to do another reaction video with you. Today we're going to be reacting to another Spingeberle one, of course, because we need Spingeberle in our lives. Why not? We're going to react to Spingeberle and the Bikini Boys by a brick of Jim Jams. It's originally created by Awful Fawful. Yeah, because you don't know, Awful, he makes really creepy stuff. Of course, he did get copyrighted so many times. He only has 6 videos right now. Anyways, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, play. Chocolate with nuts. Oh, Mario, what's those legs? The heck is that? What the heck? Okay, we're off to a good start. Hawking? What? Why did you spit out in the eye? What the? Patrick, stop looking. Patrick, stop looking, sponge. Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, no, I'll play pony. Oh. The hell? Oh. Toast. Spongetron? Why are there 2 Squidwards? Oh my god, I love that part. What the? Spongetron KO. Handsome Squidward. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, why did you put your finger on his mouth? Oh, yeah, that is gonna hurt. Okay. What's going? What? No. What the? Piranha plant? No, stop it. Stop touching his...
Maybe at some point there was an original inspiration for a good move. I don't know. He certainly is not reluctant to spend a lot of time lucky for that. All right, you said he's prostituted himself. I say the fact is he's disappointed his legions of fans. They have a lot of shit in this one, Gene.
Oh god. What the? They're most certainly not delicious. Yeah, that was. This was the hospital or something? chocolate. The heck? Did you say chocolate? Oh, okay. Who's the hell? Oh, what is a fawful? Oh, the song in the background.
Not the local bulk cruisers, mind you. I'm talking about the big Carillion ships now.
No, let's save that for when we're selling real estate. This is the customer.
What?
Make him feel good.
Hello?
Let's do
Yes. Hello, you stupid animal.
Oh,
Your mother home.
Mom. Why are they yelling?
They're selling chocolate. Chocolate?
Yeah.
What? What are they
Yeah,
selling?
just get the hell out of there.
Let's face it, Patrick. We're failures.
Oh, what the hell? That fuck's an outbreak. Oh. Chocolate. Oh, Hershey.
Here you go.
You what? Who's that? Okay, so that was Spingeberle and the Bikini Boys by a brick of Jim Jams. And created by the oh so awful fawful. I guess I have nothing else to say right now. Until next time, this is Lightningdude 42 signing off.